Guys, I wanted to show you this stainless steel cup that I purchased. This is a pretty lightweight cup. It's good if you have anybody in your life that needs some assistance with like drinking or even like eating soup. It can be used for hot or cold beverages. It is stainless steel. One thing that I was concerned about was like how heavy it is. And it's not. It's very light. It's surprisingly light. My 3-year-old stainless steel sippy cups are heavier. So I like that it's very light, especially if you are giving this to somebody or purchasing this for somebody with like some disabilities or, you know, an elderly person that isn't very strong or has some like, you know, hand grip problems. So this is definitely something that will be easy for them to use. So one of the things that I do like about it, comes with a ton of stuff. One of the things that I do like about it, the straw has a weight down on the bottom so that it's not going to fall in. It will kind of stay in place. It has 2 different types of lid. One is this lid with the straw that you can then close, especially if you have like a hot beverage or if you don't want it to spill. And then you have this lid, which I think is really cool for using it for like chicken broth or some type of soup. So the person can then just like drink it that way without having to worry about spilling it. It comes with 2 different length straws, one pretty long, one shorter, and then some supplies to help clean the product out. This one I always like because then, you know, you can get in there and clean any gunk out as well, which I like too. So again, it's dishwasher safe. It's stainless steel. It is made of like a very nice high quality plastic. This is very thick plastic and it's not that heavy. So definitely recommend this.